and they're willing to part with their email address so they can get on the inside and learn more about it and get that free thing. So that's why this works. And then when they're on the mailing list and you've built up, you've had several days of emailing and you're friendly and you're not just all about pitch, 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 you're not selling, then you can start recommending them your primary businesses and getting them over to social media. That's an important thing is trying to get them onto social media with you. And then when they get onto social media, they don't want to see crickets. They want to see that you're active. So, you got to do the whole thing. You got to be posting. People ask me, I want to just focus on this or I want to focus on that. But the problem is if you just focus on cold traffic and leads or solo ads or whatever, the whole point is you want to get them over to social media and so they connect with you. And if they get over to there and they see nothing on your timeline, to me, I mean, that when I'm checking people out, and I'm actually checking people out because I'm also, looking for mentors. I'm also looking for people who can help me. And I've been very much in the looking zone recently, looking for people who I can work with.